Good morning, all of you. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson that is reaching the age of adolescence. So in this chapter, we are going to cover up the following topics. First is introduction to adolescence and puberty, reproductive phase in human beings, human endocrine system, and various hormones produced, and importance of maintaining physical and social and mental health during adolescence. So let's get started. In this picture you can see a baby is growing into child, and then child is grown into adolescent, and then they become adult, and finally they become old. Okay, means all these stages are time period in human life. Okay, and today we are going to study about adolescents, what kind of changes a person or human being shows during this period. Okay, now so what are these stages? They are growth in human. Okay, baby, it grows into child is grown into adolescent. So growth begin from first day from the birth, means from very first day growth start हो जाती है. Okay, and then there is a spurt in growth which is noticeable. Spurt means sudden increase in growth in which changes are noticeable. So the period of life when body undergoes changes which is leading to reproductive maturity is known as adolescence. Okay, so adolescence को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? ये ट्रांजिशनल स्टेज है फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू एडल्टहुड. ओके, और ये एज स्टार्ट होती है 11 ईयर्स पे एंड लास्ट अप टू 19 ईयर्स. मतलब 11 ईयर्स पे स्टार्ट होती है और 19 ईयर्स पे ख़त्म होती है. एंड इसमें इस एज को टीन एज कहते हैं, और जो भी चाइल्ड इस एज में आता है दैट चाइल्ड इज़ नोन एज टीन एजर. And this stage, what happens, there is onset of puberty. Okay, puberty का onset होता है जिसकी वजह से reproductive maturity आती है. Means when a child undergoes changes in reproductive organ or capable of reproduction. इस stage में एक child capable होता है reproduction का. Okay, so what is puberty? नाउ अपन ये कह रहे हैं कि एडोलेसेंस के टाइम पे देयर इज़ ऑनसेट ऑफ प्यूबर्टी. प्यूबर्टी इज़ अ टाइम पीरियड इन लाइफ when animals and human beings become capable of reproduction. मतलब when animals or human beings they can undergo reproduction, that phase, that time period is known as puberty. and इसमें बहुत सारे changes होते हैं. ओके, एंड एडोलेसेंस में नॉट ओनली फिज़िकल ग्रोथ होती है बट बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं लाइक इमोशनल, साइकोलॉजिकल, मेंटल चेंजेस. ओके, एंड देयर इज़ अ सर्टन चेंज एट प्यूबर्टी which can be visible, that there is increase in height. Okay, there is change in the body shape, there is change in the voice, there is an increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland, there is development of sex organs, there is changes in emotional, mental, psychological. Okay, so सबसे first change is increase in height. Okay, इस टाइम पे bones they grow. Okay, bones of arms, leg, they get elongated and make a person tall. और maximum 18-19 years तक growth होती है, height increase होती है किसी भी child की. and after 22-20 there is no increase in height. Okay beta, and there is change in body shape. means during childhood जो बॉयज़ हैं गर्ल्स हैं उनकी बॉडी शेप डिफरेंट होती है. ओके, मीन्स बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स एक तरह से लगते हैं. यू कैन नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट by just viewing their body shape. But during adolescence there is sudden change in boys and girls body structure. Like in boys the shoulders become broader, their chest become wider and their body become muscular. Okay, और जो girls होती हैं उनका जो lower abdomen region है it becomes broader. Okay, means fat deposition start हो जाता है around their waist and their breast also increases in size, their mammary gland also changes. Okay, there is a change in boys also during this transitional period. Males का जो larynx होता है और you can say voice box होता है वो increase होता है size में और वो विजिबल हो जाता है नेक से आउटसाइड. ठीक है, एक स्मॉल प्रोट्रूडिंग स्ट्रक्चर थ्रोट में दिखता है विच इज़ नोन एज एडम्स एप्पल. और एट टाइम्स द मसल्स ऑफ द वॉइस बॉक्स दे आर नॉट इन कंट्रोल. ठीक है, ये कंट्रोल में नहीं होती और जो बॉयज़ की वॉइस होती है उसमें एडोलेसेंस के टाइम पे चेंजेस आ जाते हैं. इट बिकम्स डीप, होर्स और क्रोकी. और फीमेल्स की इतनी चेंजेस नहीं आते वॉइस के अंदर and they have a shrill voice. Okay, next there is an increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Sebaceous glands are oil glands, means it becomes active. Okay, और उनकी जो बॉडी ओडर है फ्रीक्वेंट अपेयरेंस हो जाता है एक्ने का, पिंपल्स का फेस में and that reduce or disappear over time. Next is development of sex organs. In boys the testes, okay, they get completely developed and start producing sperms, and in female ovaries they become enlarged and mature and start producing mature egg. These are the secondary sexual characters which occur at the onset of puberty. Okay, next is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Adolescents are more independent. There is change in there is a rise to a variety of social emotional changes. Okay, and their bodily changes can also make them feel anxious. उनकी जो बॉडी के अंदर सडन जो चेंजेस आते हैं, हार्मोनल चेंजेस आ रहे हैं या उनकी बॉडी के अंदर जो स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, दे फील what's happening with them. Okay, and one may develop attraction towards opposite sex also during this period, and individuals they also attain level of maturity. थोड़ी सी intellectual maturity भी आनी start हो जाती है. They start analyzing, evaluating their ideas. Okay, so one should use the period of this phase वाइजली एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिवली. ओके, क्योंकि ब्रेन की इस टाइम पे मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी होती है टू लर्न. ओके, सो वन शुड यूज़ इट. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ व्हाट कॉजेज़ द चेंजेस एट प्यूबर्टी. प्यूबर्टी के टाइम पे जो भी ये इमोशनल, फिज़िकल, साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं वो क्यों हो रहे हैं. क्या होता है कि इन आवर बॉडी all the activities they are controlled by a chemical secretion. जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं बॉडी के अंदर वो एक केमिकल सिक्रीशन के से कंट्रोल होती हैं विच इज़ नोन एज हॉर्मोन्स, एंड दे आर सिक्रीटेड बाय सर्टन ऑर्गन्स. ऑर्गन्स कई ऐसे स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जो सिक्रीट करते हैं hormones which are known as endocrine glands. What are they known as? They are known as endocrine glands, and then the hormone they travel in the blood and they reach their target site. So hormones they are produced by the certain organs which are known as endocrine glands, and then they are mixed with blood and they are transported to the target site where they are needed. For example, males they have well developed testes. Okay, and that produces male hormone which is known as testosterone, and this bring development of sexual characters and production of sperms. In the same way females की well developed ovaries होती हैं which produces female hormone जिसको हम progesterone या estrogen कहते हैं, and estrogen is responsible for the appearance of secondary sexual characters, okay, and helps in the production of eggs. And progesterone is involved in changes that take place during menstrual cycle of females, okay. Next is role of hormones in initiating the reproductive process. Now as I told you, जो भी changes होते हैं एडोलेसेंस के टाइम पे, दे आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय सर्टेन केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस सिक्रीशंस विच आर नोन एज हार्मोन्स, जिनको हार्मोन्स कहते हैं, ओके। ये जो हार्मोन्स होते हैं ये कुछ ग्लैंड्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जिनको हम एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स कहते हैं, ओके। दीज हार्मोन्स गेट मिक्सड इन द ब्लड एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू देयर टारगेट साइट्स, ओके। अब ये जो दो आप लोगों को मैंने रिप्रोडक्टिव हार्मोन्स बताए थे, दैट इज प्रोजेस्टेरॉन एंड टेस्टोस्टेरॉन इन मेल्स एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन इन फीमेल्स, ये जो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं दे आर रिलीज्ड in testes and ovaries, okay, and then they are that this production is under the control of a gland that is located at the base of the brain, and that gland is known as pituitary gland, okay. Pituitary gland, it produces many hormones which stimulate the male and female reproductive organ. इसको master gland भी कहते हैं. Thus testes and जो hormones secrete करते हैं, they stimulate the male and female reproductive organs, and ये जो hormones होते हैं they travel to the specific site. Here you can say pituitary gland, it produces hormones that stimulates testes and ovaries, and then testes and ovaries they produce their hormones, then hormones they travel to their target site, and finally they stimulate the necessary changes in the body, they bring out changes. So this is the role of hormones at the onset of puberty. But इनके अलावा भी in our body there are many hormones which play an important role in normal function of our body.